Hi, my name is Viola Brown. Welcome to my channel, aka nail cover lover. Let's get started. Okay guys, I got this from AliExpress. It's called Stereo Carve Gel, Soak Off UV LED. And I'm going to be putting on these four, and I'll put on the thumb with you guys. When I come back, you'll notice that I have these four done, and then I want to do the thumb with you guys. But I want to show you what this looks like. This is the stuff where you can like put between your fingers like carve gel. Okay guys, I'm back, and I've did these four, and I mean it's staying on there, but I don't know, we're gonna do a test of this stuff and see how this works. So I will get back with you guys on how it works and whatnot. I'm getting ready to apply my thumbnail, and like I said guys, I got this on AliExpress and it was not very high at all. And this stuff is kind of cool, guys. I mean, you can pick it up and roll it just like a carving gel. It is pretty cool. I'll get a good bit out of this one for my thumb. Look at that. But watch this. Watch. What? It's not sticky. Now it will stick it to the inside of here where I've got the primer. And we'll put it right in there. Oh shoot, I got something black in there. No, it's not black. It's a piece of glitter. You guys, you do want to use gloves when you're doing this, because I've noticed when you pick it up, and if you've got any kind of anything on your gloves, your fingers, or whatever, it will get in this stuff. But you know what? It's pretty cool to play with. Look, I'm just smashing this down to the edges, or down to the a cuticle area and over to the sides. And I want to make sure that it's getting over to the sides, because this stuff is pretty stiff, you guys. It's not, I mean, it's stiff, but it's workable. Okay, I'm going to push that down to my cuticle. Now watch. Okay, you ready? Look at that. It's like, it's there. Look at that. And it has such a force to it that you don't have to worry about it like coming up from the nail. Stick it on there, stick your finger in, and get it going. I haven't had nails on for a while, so I wanted to just come on here and show you guys this stuff. It is called Stereo Carve Gel. See that? So you guys want to get on I got this off of AliExpress, and the nail tips I'm using are from Amazon, I believe. And it's the Rofran Professional Nail Art Tips. That's what I'm using today. And I am curing this for 60 seconds, guys. Because I'm not real sure on how, it doesn't come with no instructions or nothing. Just comes just like this. So I am curing it for 60 seconds, and I will come back, you know, and later in another video and tell you how it works. You know, if it's coming loose or lifting or whatnot, and I will let you know that. Alright, that's 60 seconds cured, guys. Now this one here, I will tell you, if you put it down and then place it back again, it will make air bubbles.